In New York, the prosecution's star witness, Cassie Ventura, she is back on the stand. It's a second day of cross-examination by the defense. Diddy Combs, of course, is on trial there. No cameras allowed in the courtroom, but we have Kelly Craft joining us now from outside the Diddy trial, outside the federal courthouse. Is our legal correspondent, Kelly Craft. Kelly, good to see you. Good morning. Happy Friday to you. Fill us in. She's back on the stand. How is she holding up, and what can you tell us about what has transpired so far this morning?
Hi there, Ted. A lot of fireworks so far this morning on this Friday here in New York City. Right now, court is on a break, so they just took a break inside this New York City courtroom. But before the break took place, outside the presence of the jury, the judge chastised the counsel, saying, we are not going to be proceeding in this fashion any longer. So it was an interesting exchange to watch what took place, and the judge is not happy with how defense counsel has been introducing exhibits, taking a long time. Also, the prosecution then is objecting. So it's really taking up a lot of time and not being as efficient as he wants it to be. Now he has set some deadlines at night, saying that by 7:30, you need to be letting co-counsel know, defense counsel know, and vice versa, what exhibits you are going to be introducing the next day, so we do not have these prolonged periods of questioning and objecting as to what's being introduced. Also, some of the testimony has been a little bit explosive. I know we're going to put up a full screen of something that just took place recently, but we can put up something first. So first, Ventura was testifying that she believed Combs was intoxicated. This is in the jury was seeing some text messages between Ventura and Combs from a few days after the beating. So that's what she was referring to, because at the beginning of court proceedings today, they were talking about that video again at the Intercontinental Hotel. So Ventura had said that Combs had expressed desire to engage sexually with Ventura. So they were talking about that. But this was kind of the big thing afterwards. We're talking about a threat in which we heard Cassie on the phone. But let me first tell you about this. Okay, so this one here. The jury is hearing the recording of Ventura threatening a man who said he had sexually explicit videos of her. Ventura is heard saying, I'm going to kill you, and then saying he's going to kill you. So this was an interesting exchange to hear inside the courtroom. So what happened is defense counsel played this audio clip of Ventura talking to a male, because under direct examination, we heard that there was a video out there of these freak-offs. And so, of course, no one wanted these videos to be released, but a video somehow was out there in the public domain. Ventura then, on cross, was asked about this situation, a video being out there in the public, if she believed that it was. And then they played this audio of her threatening a man, saying exactly what I had up there on the screen, about she is going to kill him if she doesn't let her know where this is, saying, I've never killed anyone before. So defense counsel continuing, Ted, to put out there, not only was she a consenting, strong adult participating in these freak-offs, now showing a side of Cassie Ventura in which she was threatening people as well.
So that they were together in all of this. And one would presume that this male was the person that they thought was in possession of this video. Is that what I'm getting from it? That this video that might be out there and this person is in possession, or at least they thought that this individual was. How is she holding up now? You know, we've heard that her due date is possibly this weekend. This is arduous for any human being to be exposed to the witness stand for multiple days, and she's 8.5 months plus pregnant. How is she doing?
Ted, she's holding up pretty well. In her responses, she is polite. She's inquisitive at times in regard to what the questions are being asked, making sure she understands them correctly. Very soft-spoken, not tons of inflection in her voice, but she has been holding up pretty well, to say the least.